Welcome back to Booze and Rocks, where we make cocktails for everyone. My name's David Edwards, and isn't it time you had a great iced coffee? I think you should. Let's get into it. It's great to have every single one of you back here today. We are making a Bailey's and Kahlua iced coffee. Now, iced coffee has been around for a long time, and that explains why one of the things that you can do with it is change it up in multiple different ways with multiple flavors, multiple additives, even alcohol, like we're gonna do today. But it was originally invented in Nigeria in the 1840s, and it was called a mazagran. There you go, there's a piece of knowledge for you. However, this simple cocktail, it's gonna be easy, it's perfect, it's decadent, and this is exactly what we need for hot weather. So let's get into it. Grab a plate. And then what you need is a little bit of caramel, because we're going to rim the glass first. So just put maybe an ounce or two there. And if you do that, now that's 30 to 60 milliliters, depending on what you want, because you're gonna make a few of these, trust me. Grab your glass of choice, and we're just going to rim the glass like so. Now, interestingly enough, you could shake this glass. However, I am going to put it and build it directly into this glass. So do whatever you want, whatever works best for you. Grab some ice. And now what you're gonna do is you're going to add your coffee first. In this case, we're gonna go with 6 ounces, which is just over half a cup, so 2/3 of a cup. And you wanna make sure that your coffee is cool enough that you don't crack the glass because of the change in temperature between the ice and, of course, this. So grab your Kahlua. Now you could use whatever coffee liqueur you want. Now Kahlua is sweeter, so if you choose to use something, say like a Mr. Black or a Tia Maria, you just have to remember you're going to have to adjust your sweetness levels to your taste. And we need 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. Oh yeah. The next thing we need is Bailey's. You just can't go wrong with some Bailey's. Now Bailey's is an Irish cream whiskey with a base of Jameson, because that's what they had when they originally created it. And you could choose to use something else if you want. Again, it'll depend on the flavorings that you like and what's available to you. And we need 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. Oh, look at that. Better put that lid back on before I make a mess, because I know I will. We're gonna grab a couple more cubes of ice just because. Look at that. Oh. Now we're gonna add some heavy cream. In this case, I'm just using whipping cream. It's a straight 35% fat level. You could use half and half if you wanted. Again, you're gonna get a slightly different texture and flavor. And we're gonna use 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. Oh, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Grab some whipped cream. Now you can get cheapo whipped cream, or you could actually make some of your own whipped cream. However you want to do it, whip it yourself. A can of Cool Whip, totally up to your preference. And we're just gonna put a little bit on here. And we're going to add 1 piece of chocolate, because you always want a little bit of a treat. Now you could choose to stir this if you want, or shake it process-wise. However, let's grab a spoon. We're just gonna give this a bit of a shake just so that we can try this out. And I filled the glass just a little too full, but totally up to you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's see how this is. Now initially all you smell is a little bit of chocolate and of course the whipped cream. And I friggin' just spilled it all over the place. I am so angry. Anyways, and it's all over my mustache. Oh. However, it's damn good. Oh, it's perfect. It's light, it's creamy, it tastes great. You can taste the coffee. Now, depending on how much coffee you like to have in here, you can make it stronger or lighter. Totally up to you. The other thing you can do is you can adjust the levels of your boozes. Even if you could even add some vodka or rum if you want. You know what? Leave a comment down below if you think I should add anything else or change or adjust the ratios. Oh, this is so good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients and the method of how to make this down in the description down below. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time you put up a new cocktail, you will be notified. And I should say cocktail video. And if you'd like to help support the channel, please check us out at patreon.com/booze on the rocks, because every little bit helps us to bring these videos to you. I'm going to the deck. Iced coffees have been around for a long time. In fact, one of the earliest it's originally recorded as being around in like